So here we have a nice metronome set at 80 beats per minute, just counting off quarter notes. See, we can count these 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're quarter notes or crotchets. Now if we were to write these down, they would look like this. This is what a quarter note looks like, and you can see I've numbered it 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can split these crotchets, these quarter notes, in half and you get quavers. This is what a quaver looks like all by itself. See, it's got like a little flag sticking out the top there. A single flag means it's a quaver, or an eighth note, and we count them 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And when we're writing more than one together, we tend to join them up to his neighbour. And for and, we put a little cross. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So there you go. There's a set of 8 quavers. You can see why they're called eighth notes. There's 8 of them. Now sometimes people like to join them up in groups of 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So sometimes you'll see it like this, and sometimes you'll see it as I drew it in the previous picture.
So why eighth notes? Why are we making such a big fuss about eighth notes, or quavers to give them their proper name? Well, it's what holds everything together, especially at the very beginning when you're learning those basic patterns, those first patterns. It's the eighth notes that we count, and everything lines up with an eighth note. So if I count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, bass drum on 1 and 3, snare drum on 2 and 4, they correspond with me playing eighth notes on the hi-hat. So you watch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that's why we practice them. That's why we practice our eighth notes, and we get it so we can play them without really thinking about it.